Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It is Sunday morning and the time is exactly 4 o'clock in the morning, and my fiance decided that he wanted to have some fried plantain, the green one, fried plantain, so I'm going to make that for him. And so here we go. Let's talk about our ingredients. I have 2 green plantains here. What you're going to need is salt. Of course, you're going to need salt. You're going to need a little bit of black pepper. That is optional if you want to put the black pepper or not. Cooking oil, a hard spoon or fork, and I'm going to peel these bananas. I'm going to start frying, so I'll see you back. So guys, I went ahead and I peeled my plantain. I want to make sure you peel them things real good. Then all I'm gonna do is go like this. It depends on how you want to slice them up. So okay, after I cut them in 3 even sizes, then I'll go ahead and turn it away and cut it this way again. So this is what that looks like. So let's move to the next step. Guys, let's get ready for frying. So you just want to go ahead and put your plantain in. Gonna let that fry on that side for about 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it on the other side and fry it for 4 minutes, and I'm gonna take it out and mash it. I'm gonna show you how I do that. So see about when I'm done frying both sides. Alright guys, so the plantain is exactly how I want it. My fire is on medium heat. I started out with medium, but I turned it down because I didn't want them to fry too fast. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put it out on my surface here. Look very carefully at how I'm going to do this. Like I said before, make sure you have something that is hard when you go and press these things out. So you go ahead and press it out just like so. You got to do this when it's hot, because if you do it when it's soft, if it's cold, then it won't press. Just press it out. That's exactly how I want it. See? That's exactly how I want it. This is exactly how you want it to look. When you press out the thing, you want it to come out as flat as a pancake. Just like this. So, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. Using sea salt, but you could use any kind of salt that you have. Now guys, what I am going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and put them back into the frying pan. Let them fry again for about 3 minutes. Total of 3 minutes. And then it should be done. Okay? So when I'm through frying up all of these, I will come back and I'll show you what it looks like. But this is very easy and it's very simple, and it's something we always do back home with our green plantains. So I will show you what everything looks like when it's all complete. So I'll see you back. So here you have it guys. My fried plantain is all done. I hope you like it in this early morning. As always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.